Watching this video right now, you probably just finished your paper 1 math exam. Okay, so for math standard level, many students who sent me the paper is really hard, so especially the last question in the integration. Okay, but you don't need to be worried because every student told me that question is hard. Okay, so just make sure the other question is fine. Okay, and also there's one more question. Is finding the minimum surface area of the box. Okay, so that is the open box. Okay, open box area. Okay, so that means you don't include the upper part area. Okay, so for this one, actually you don't need to be worried. Okay, because you have the part B that is show that. Okay, show that the area is equal to a certain number. Okay, so in that case, then you can make sure you can do C. Okay, so but for those students who give up this question, okay, and actually they can do like part C. Okay, so for paper 2, don't make the same mistakes, because for paper 2, so now I will tell you the strategy for revising the paper 2. Okay, so first one, remember, if ever you see show that question, okay, they give you the answer, so that means give you the answer. Okay, don't skip that. Okay, so I mean, like, if you don't know how to show the answer, don't skip the later part. Okay, because you can actually use the answer to do the C part or D part. And secondly, make sure you check the paper. Okay, so some students told me like there are only 9 questions in the paper, and then they figure out like there are actually 10 questions in the last 5 minutes. Okay, and that's the problem because you don't have time to finish all the questions, right? Okay, in just 5 minutes. So make sure you know how many questions in the paper. So for paper 2, for IB exams, always 10 questions. Okay, always 10 questions for the math exam. Okay, so make sure you check all the questions. And 3, how can you use like just a few hours to revise the paper 2. So what I suggest you to do is find recent year past paper, maybe 2012 to 2015, okay? And also do the specimen paper. So you can do all the section B questions, okay? Section B, so that's only like 3 questions, okay? And for section A, usually 1 to question 4 is quite easy. So I'll suggest you to do section A question 5 to 7. Okay, so just pick all this, and if you have time, you can do more paper, yeah, or you can do the 1 to 4 questions, yeah. Okay, so and 4. So if you screw up in paper 1, okay, it doesn't matter because now your focus should be on paper 2. And usually, based on my observation, okay, and experience, and like teaching many years of IB, so it's usually like one paper is hard, one paper is easy. So one paper that is, you will see one paper hard, okay, so that you will see like some unseen questions, okay, unseen questions. So this time we have unseen questions of around like 16 marks, yeah, okay. So that means the second paper, paper 2, would be easier, okay. So this is what I call the hard-working paper, okay. So because for like level 7, okay, usually it's maintained. IB usually maintain around like 81 to 84%. Okay, that's the boundary for level 7 for math standard level. Okay, so basically, if one paper is really hard, okay, then the next paper would be easier. So for the next paper, make sure you revise all the standardized question. Okay, so that is like they will just change the question in the old paper. Okay, I mean like change the wording. Okay, but it will be similar. Just like you saw the paper 1 question. Okay, they ask you like if the data all multiply by 4, what is the new mean? What is the new variance? Okay, you have done that question in the specimen paper before, right? Okay, so now do the same for paper 2. Okay, so revise well and good luck tomorrow. And hope this tips would help you.